Well, a good Sunday, folks. It was a scorcher out there today as high temperatures made their way into the 90s. Feel like numbers close to 100. Just a preview of things to come for the new work week ahead. Excessive heat on the way over the next 5 days, feeling like 100 on Tuesday and Wednesday, if not above that mark. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, it could actually feel more like 110 degrees outside. Weak cold front dropping in, that's going to provide us with some temporary relief as we get towards your Monday, touching off a few showers and thunderstorms over there in portions of West Virginia. And tropical depression Barry continuing to spin in northern Louisiana, sending some very heavy rain up into West Tennessee, northern portions of Mississippi, and western Alabama over the coming hours ahead. Winds at 35, 20 miles north-northeast of Shreveport, Louisiana. Pressure continues to come up as well. You can see where the flooding has been. Southern portions of Mississippi, southern Alabama, and most of Louisiana dealing with rainfall amounts anywhere upwards of 3 to 5, even more inches in many locations, creating those big-time flooding concerns. The track of this thing brings it up towards St. Louis as we get towards Tuesday afternoon. Winds down to 15 miles per hour, pretty much just a rainmaker at that point. Around here, no remnants to be found on Monday nor Tuesday, although we could pick up on a spot shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. I think we'll have a better shot at those storms showing up in the picture here by Wednesday and Thursday of this week. Tonight's forecast, overnight lows back down in the low to middle 60s. A few clouds, mild, turning less humid. Mild, less humid out there, 69 to start. Sunny skies in the afternoon, not bad. High temperatures a shy underneath 90 degrees. 90 in Frederick, 89 in Baltimore, 88 in Annapolis. Tuesday's forecast, isolated shower, thunderstorm in the afternoon, hotter conditions, highs back in the lower 90s. Place to be this week if you can get there. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday would be down at the beach with high temperatures in the low to middle 80s. 7-day looks like this. Spotty showers and storms show up Wednesday and Thursday. Chances cut back Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and the temperature goes up closer to 100 degrees. 96 on Friday, 97 on Saturday, 95 on Sunday. We'll have an update of your forecast here coming up. Otherwise, you can download our free mobile app, WMAR2 News, available at the Apple and Google Play Store, or look us up at WMAR2News.com, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest weather and news updates. For now, I'm meteorologist Eric Taylor.